Hi everybody and welcome in. This is my video for MLA citation for Ms. Ornelas' class. I understand Mr. Garcia's video is also out there, but just in case you want the recap or you want to make sure that you're turning in the paper correctly and formatting correctly, this is the video for you. So first we start off with our empty Google page. You're going to head over to Insert. You're going to go down to Insert and you are going to Page Numbers. You're going to go ahead and click this feature. It's going to mark each of the pages on your paper so that when we scroll down and when we have a second page, it will say 2, 3, etc. Once you have that, you're going to click out of header and you should have your cursor still at the top. So you're not in header, you clicked out, and you're going to go ahead and put your name at the top, okay? It should be your first and legal last name, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and put my name. So Ms. Ornelas, Ms. Ornelas. Our subject is English Language Arts. And then today's date. There's different ways to write this. As long as I do not see the informal way, so I do not want to see the dash, you're good. But the easiest way to do this is to write simply February 7th, 2023. Okay. You're going to notice this doesn't look right. Still, you need to make sure it's Times New Roman and size 12 font. Spacing, we need to make it 1.5 or double. Either is fine. Okay. This is an attempt, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm not going to mark you down. You're going to push enter, and you're going to center align your title of your report. Okay. Really, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you MLA cite. When you go out of my classroom, when you go to college, this is how you are going to write your papers. Okay. On the next line, you're going to left align, because you're right from the left to the right. And you're going to hit the tab button. Now you can start writing your hook and an introduction. Okay. So now you can actually start writing. You're going to write whatever you need. Okay. I'm going to copy and paste over an extra paragraph that I actually have. There you go. Looks good. And as you might note, it is double spaced. It is Times New Roman. It is size 12. Now, the one thing I'm going to request is that you are continuing to also cite your evidence. That'll be in the next video, but just know that this is what your papers should look like for MLA citation. In addition, I did want to show you guys a little shortcut. So if you're watching my video, you can actually use your Google Docs. So if you go over to Google Docs, you actually have an option to start a new document. When you click Report MLA, because that's what you guys are trying to do, MLA format, you actually get this essay template that has everything done for you. Okay, it even has the works cited page, which is another video. It has your name, professor, subject, today's date. The numbers are already there for you. Oops. Title, paragraph. It's in Times New Roman, size 12, double space, left align with a tab indent. Okay. So you can use this. You can copy and paste this over to your blank documents, and this will be formatted correctly. Whatever you choose to decide to do, both of them will be right as long as they appear to look like this. Especially for my sophomores, as you are printing your papers, they must be formatted. You cannot lose points in this area, ladies and gentlemen. For my freshmen, same for you. It still applies. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, but this is what your paper should look like. I'll see you guys for the next video.